Best 5 Natural Makeup Remover. Makeup plays a crucial part in our daily lives. It elevates our looks instantly from casual to glamorous, enhancing our self-confidence. What if I told you, you could remove your makeup in a complete chemical and toxins-free way? Yes, you will find a number of natural makeup removing elements in your home. Number 1. Milk. Milk is a must-have staple for any kitchen. Raw milk can be an effective and gentle cleanser. The lactic acid present in milk exfoliates the skin and the fat works as a moisturizer. We all are familiar with store-bought cleansing milk. How to use? Take some raw milk in a bowl and just soak a bit of cotton in it. Take the cotton and rub it gently on your face to remove the layer of makeup. Splash some normal water on your face and done. Number 2. Coconut oil. When it comes to coconut oil, nothing can come close to its versatility. Organic, unrefined and cold-pressed coconut oil can be used as a natural and gentle makeup remover to clean heavy makeup without harming your skin. You can use it daily. It is best when it comes to removing eye makeup. How to use? You do not require a washcloth or cotton pads. Take a tiny amount of the oil on your palm to warm it up a bit and apply to your face. Massage your face for a while or until all the makeup particles are removed, and wash it off with warm water. So, after using the oil to remove the makeup, remember to wash your face with a mild facial cleanser. Number 3. Cucumber paste. Cucumber has anti-inflammatory properties that might help to soothe irritated and acne-prone skin. This is why it is used in various beauty products. Using cucumber paste as makeup remover will ensure that your skin is healthy, glowing and moisturized. How to use? Grind a cucumber in a juicer to make a paste and add a few drops of olive oil or any baby oil. Damp a cotton ball into the mixture and rub gently on your face. This will scrub away your stubborn makeup residue. Finally, wash your face with normal water. Number 4. Steam. It is one of the easiest super hydrating ways to naturally remove makeup. It opens up pores and cleanses the skin from the inside out. It unclogs skin pores and also gets rid of all kinds of dirt and impurities. How to use? Just fill in a bowl with hot water, not boiling, and lean over it for a few minutes. Soak into the steam and let it work on its own. Wipe your face with a cotton ball to remove the makeup. Number 4. Honey and baking soda. When it comes to skin moisturization, there is no better alternative than honey. Plus, it has antibacterial properties. On the other hand, baking soda is popular for its brightening, antiseptic and cleansing properties. The combination of both generates a super powerful makeup remover. How to use? Mix 2 tablespoons of both honey and baking soda along with a few drops of water. Dip a piece of cotton ball or washcloth and gently wipe your face. Then, wash off with normal water. You can see that you do not have to rely on harmful chemicals to remove your makeup.